Hi everyone, look what I found. This is a lot of dirty car toys. Wow, they are so dirty right now, but we can change it. We need to wash it right now. Wow, what is this? This is a dirty truck. Wow, it's so dirty. Let's wash it. Wow, amazing. It's so clean now and so colorful. Okay, let's go to the next one. Whoa, who is it? It's so dirty right now. I don't know who is it. If you know, please leave a comment. And let's get wash it. Wow, it's a car toy cow. Cool. It's so clean now. Nice. Okay, let's go to the next one. Whoa, such a dirty truck. Whoa, we need to wash it right now. Wow, this is a tractor with tanker. Wow, it's so clean now. Amazing. Okay, let's check what we have here. Wow. What is this? It's so dirty. Ew. Let's wash it. Wow, this is an airplane. Whoa, it's so colorful. Amazing. Nice. Okay, let's check what we have here. Wow. What is this? Such a dirty car? Okay, let's wash it. Wow, incredible. This is an off-road car. Nice. Okay, let's go to the next one. Wow, who is it? If you know, please leave a comment. But now let's wash it. Wow, this is a camel. Cool. Nice, it's so clean now. Okay, let's check the another one. Wow, what is this? Oh, we need to wash it. Wow, amazing. This is a fire truck. Nice. It's so colorful and clean now. is this? Such a dirty thing. Let's wash it. Whoa, it's a small tank. Cool. Nice. Bam! Okay, let's check the another one. Whoa, what is this? It looks so dirty. We need to wash it. Wow, incredible. It looks like Cybertruck. Cyberpunk car, I think. Cool. It's so clean now. Okay, let's check the another one. Whoa, who is this guy? Cool, but it's so dirty. Ew, let's wash it. Wow, cool, this is a rubber dog. Nice, it's so clean now. Okay, let's check the last one. Wow, cool. But it's so dirty. We need to wash it right now. Wow, cool. This is a sport motorcycle. Wow, amazing. It's so clean now. Nice. Okay, let's check how we do our work. Wow, well done, guys. They're so clean now. Nice. Whoa, they're so colorful. Cool. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And thanks for watching. Bye.